trailer's still there. Full of water though. Oh, animals went in now, right? That's what I was sleeping on. I got evicted from my apartment the 21st, and then I came over here, and until my accident going down here, I was almost here when it happened. So I had to leave the place and reach a good mattress and comfort. It's not easy to turn around with a broken rib on this thing. Hi, I'm Mario. I'm 51 years old. My name is Mario Binet. And right now I'm at my tent. And it's Centennial Park in Moncton, right at the corner. Right down the cliff. When I arrive, I feel emotional because it's been 10 days I'm out of here and I'm kind of attached to.
How's it feel to be back?
I don't know, it's funny emotion. This is like my home now, and I got nowhere to have a room. But the government should raise a check, do something, because $537 a month. I will challenge the government right now to start from the shelter, $537, and have a room and try to make it 1 month. I challenge the government. You know, it's not that people think it's fun. No. When being homeless is not fun. You gotta live it.